Assalamu alaikum. Grade 6 Grammar, welcome back. Today we'll be studying pronoun verb agreement. It's a very easy lesson and it's also very important. Now, what do we mean when we say subject? Subject is what the sentence starts with. It could be a noun or it could be pronoun. For example, I say Tom goes to school every day. Now here we use Tom, noun, as a subject. I could also say he goes to school every day. Now he here is a pronoun. Now what does the word, what do we mean when we say like pronoun verb agreement? It means the subject and the verb should agree with each other. It means if we have if we're using simple present, when we use he, she, it, or a singular pronoun, a single pronoun like he, she, it, after the verb which comes after these three pronouns should be the verb should comes with with s. Like for example, we should add s to the verb. Like for example, they play tennis every day. But when we say he, we say he plays. We will explain this more in details with the following example. So just remember he, she, it. The verb that comes after these three should come with s at the end. Do not add s when you in present simple when the sentence when the verb comes after one of these: I, we, you, they. It means we cannot say I plays. This is incorrect. And you can say I eats. This is incorrect. Same thing goes for we, you, and they. Now we have this indefinite pronoun. The indefinite pronouns, it means that the pronoun, like when we say everyone, anyone, okay, does not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Some indefinite pronouns are singular, like my family, such as anyone and everyone. This is a usually common mistake. We say everyone play, everyone for example swims, swim, sorry. After everyone is considered as a singular pronoun. Other are plural, such as both, several. Some can be plural or singular, such as all, and some, and we'll explain this in details. Like for example, number one, Jack thinks it. We said he, she, it. The verb should comes with what? With s. Like here, it looks. We cannot say it look. He, what we say here? Say or says? That's correct. We say says. He says. The last one, we play or we plays. Which one is correct? That's true. We say we play. Same thing goes to the rest. A contraction is a shortened form of two words in which the missing letter are replaced with an apostrophe. For example, let's see, let's do this. Oh, sorry, answered. I wish I could delete this. Yeah, that's great. Okay, that's fine. Now, what is a contraction? A contractions is, wait a second, just let me add to text. Yes. Okay, now for example, the word I am. What is the short form for I am? That's true. Now we can say I yeah, this one doesn't work. Yeah, I like this one. This is what we call it apostrophe. Apostrophe, it looks like a comma, but actually it's different. So this is what we call it apostrophe. I am, the short form for I am would be am. We are, it would be were. He is, so usually we omit one letter and we write what? Apostrophe. Yes, so like this one, he, and this is the apostrophe. Now it works. Yes, his. Okay, we'll do it here with they are. What is the short form for they are? They. You can see that we will omit only the first letter from the verb. Instead of R, it will be just R-E. But is this correct? No, we need apostrophe, and this is the apostrophe. Okay, same things goes with the rest. Which I can do number one. Yeah, yeah, doesn't work. I don't know why, for some reason. Now, same thing goes for the rest, please. Now he said words such as there, they, there. Those they call it homophones. Okay, those are the homophones. If you pronounce them, they have the same pronunciation but different in meaning and different in spelling. So this is usually the common mistakes when people use them in writing in sentences. For example, there is the contraction of what? Is a contraction of they are. There is a possessive pronoun. When I say after there, remember after there usually comes there is always followed by a noun, like their home, their car, their book. Other homophones can be confusing, such as to. It is and it's see the same pronunciation, but this is what is the short form of it is, and this is what a possessive pronoun. Whose, it means who is, but whose, which has the same pronunciation, is used as possessive. Remember that after the word whose, always it's always followed by a noun, like whose book is this? Okay, now let's answer this. There. Now we have the verb will. So there, this one is impossible because, as I said, it must be followed by a noun. There, which is there are, cannot be like are and will, two verbs in one sentence. It doesn't make sense. So there will be is the best answer. If you want to run for office, submit, which is a verb, and see after the parenthesis, you'll find what? Name. So we're gonna say you are named to Mr. Your name is the correct answer. Now, as I said before, like whose, they have the same pronunciation, but whose here, it means the contraction of who is. So as I said before, that whose is followed by a noun, as long as you don't see a noun here, so this can be the correct answer. So whose is the correct answer. Same things goes for the rest. Subject pronouns and verb must agree. As I said, if it is he, she, it, you add s to the verb. But when we use I, we, you, they, we don't. We use the verb in base form. Indefinite pronoun, as we said before, like everyone, anyone, someone. Pay attention. You should make sure that the indefinite pronoun, an indefinite pronoun is either a singular or plural. Now, let's try to do this. He said, rewrite each sentence correcting mistakes in the subject-verb agreement and in the spelling and punctuations. Let's see, punctuations. Our dog Scott likes to chase squirrels when we goes to the park. We say we is a plural, and we only add s if the pronoun is singular. So the correct is to be go, not goes. Correct the mistakes here using the same. It means here, what is the correct one? It would be, instead of goes, it would be go. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, go instead. Okay. Now, same things goes for the rest. Correct them. Now, and this should be very easy. Now, in each sentence here, he said each sentence has an error in pronoun verb agreement. Read each sentence in each item. Circle the letter of the change that corrects the sentence. Now we have this sentence. It has a mistake. One of these corrects the mistakes. Now it said everyone in my family, which my family is singular by the way, enjoy game night. So my family, here's the mistakes, no agreement between my family and enjoy. Change everyone to anyone. Change enjoy to enjoys. Change enjoy to enjoying. So B would be the correct answers. Correct the same things here. Actually, we're done with this. This was the grammar from grade 6. Grammar from page 91 to page 95. Now we'll come with the key answer. After you do this, please check your answers. That would be, this is the answer. Okay, so from 91. Okay, this from page 90. As you check your answers, pause, then check your answers. Page 94. Thank you very much. See you next week.